Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready. Open PowerPoint and the presentation you'll modify. Start with the slide or slide master you want to change. Once you have it open, select a single slide or, for global change, open View Slide Master. Make sure you know whether you need the change for print or screen because that affects size choices. Now move to the Design tab. This is where orientation lives, so don't switch windows, stay focused, and proceed to the next step. From the Design tab, click Slide Size, then Custom Slide Size to access orientation and custom dimensions. You'll see Portrait versus Landscape options. Pick Portrait and enter width/height if you need specific or inches. Once done, decide whether to apply to all slides or only the current slide. Choose wisely. PowerPoint will prompt, maximize or ensure fit. Use ensure fit to preserve content scale, and maximize only. Finish by reviewing every slide for layout shifts. Portrait can cause text overflow or cropped images, so you'll need to move or resize placeholders. If many slides are affected, edit the slide master to update layouts consistently. This saves time versus adjusting slides one by one. If content appears cut off, go back and pick Ensure Fit or manually reduce margins and font sizes. A key troubleshooting tip: if things still look wrong, undo and try changing a copy of the file so your original stays intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.